Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got GWK in the building. Now this guy always brings the noise so far as digital casual dress down watch faces are concerned. Now the name of this watch face that he's bringing to the table today is called GWK 0100. Now I like the look, I like the layout of all the information on this watch face. Definitely is clear cut, has an HD look to it. Now in the AOD mode you'll get the exact same look. Now up at the top you are going to get your calendar information. You go over to the left, you get your battery info. You come down, you'll see some gears. They're animated. They do not have any real functionality to it at all. Down up under that, you're going to get your step information. I left my watch at home, so I don't have any readings today. That sucks. You're going to get a nice big bold legible digital time as well. And you're going to get your step information like your heart rate, floors climb, and your calories burned. And the watch face is interactive, so if I tap there I can bring up my step status info, and if I tap on the heart rate I can bring up my heart rate, of course. And same thing here, I can get my step status info there. Up at the top I can pull up my calendar, and of course I can get my battery, but it's telling me exactly how much battery life I got left. Now I can't customize the digital time. You can't customize any of the other text. If I were to say anything, I would ask the developer to give us the opportunity to customize the rest of the color theme of this watch face. But right now this is all we have. Double tap and you can customize the color theme of the digital time, which looks nice by the way. And you get like up to 10 different colors if I'm not mistaken. They're all nice. I thought this was a nice look for a casual dress down digital fitness watch face. Again, I thought the developer did a really good job on this watch face. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, it is always all about you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.